Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a menu on Prestashop in 2024. So today we're going to learn how to add a menu. Of course, menus are crucial for helping your customers navigate your site and find what they're looking for quickly. And this step-by-step guide or tutorial will help you through the process of adding a menu on your PrestaShop store in 2024. So let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open your browser. So once you open it, make sure to first of all go to prestashop.com, hit the enter button. If it's your first time, of course, click on get started. Make sure to download like the classic if you're going with the free or hosted if you're going with a paid plan. You can even contact them if you need something custom. Of course, that's if you want to go with a hosting provider that they offer or even hosting, or I guess like a hosting that they are partnership with. Or if you want to install, of course, first of all, this PrestaShop on your local host, there's an article example. So install PrestaShop on localhost, as you can see, just type that in Google, head or your search engine, then click on the first link, which is install PrestaShop on your local host. And as you can see, there's a full article here on how to install it on your local host, and you don't have to pay anything. You'll just go with the free plan with PrestaShop and then simply install it on your local host, so everything will be free. Of course, you'll for that use like MAMP, I guess, MAMP. And as you can see, you'll have to go download it, then choose the things that they tell you. If you're Windows or Mac, no problems, both will work for you. And as you can see, you'll have to install the PrestaShop version from here. Then simply go to the docs, files, and etc. Create a folder, paste the things that you installed here. Then, of course, just open this map, start the servers, go to your Google or whatever you're using. For me here, Brave, just go and type localhost slash and the name of the folder is created. And as you can see, a lot of things that you should go through if you want to install it or start using it on your local host, so you don't have to pay anything. Of course, there's a video I've made about that. You can go and check it out. So other than that, to add our menu, of course, on our PrestaShop, let's just check an article that they have also. So as example, add menu in PrestaShop, as simple as that. Hit the enter button, and as you can see, so here, shop menu settings, buy. So I'm looking, of course, I will look for an article from PrestaShop. Of course, you can look for other articles like from here, an example, to create a menu, you have to log into any panel, etc. Of course, if you even have an account, make sure to go and log into that account without any problem. You can even go and look for add-ons Marketplace or PrestaShop Academy if you need more help, an example, something. You can engage with their community. And of course, you'll have access into that. So here, as you can see, how to add a menu. So as you can see, first of all, what is a menu? Which is a navigation menu, provides access to the main content of a website through a set of links redirected to the different pages of the website. On an online store, it's usually accessible at the top of the homepage and lists products accessory. So where can you customize your store menu? Normally in the back office of your PrestaShop store. So you'll have to access the back office, then locate the mega menu model, then configure the mega menu model, add your sub menu items, then simply link those menu items to pages and categories. Then simply after that, you'll be able to customize the menu appearance if you want to, and then of course you can save your changes and test your menu whenever you want. As I said, if you have it on your local host, you can do all of that for free, so you don't have to worry about anything. And exactly like those steps will be. So what I said is just summarize this article here will show you the exact info how to add your menu. So as an example, where you can customize this, as you said, to basically have to go to your back office of the PrestaShop store, and it can be accessed from an included model entitled the main menu, which can be found on the models page. If you don't have that model added, you can simply go and create that model. So if you have it, just go to model manager, and once you found the model in the list, click on configure to access the configuration page. And how do I configure the menu? This is what the menu control panel looks like. So as an example, just zoom it for you here. So as you can see, configure precedent. I don't know why this is like seems in French, but it's fine. So this is to go back, this is to translate an example. So here, the URL of the menu, and here, as you can see, you'll find the elements is or sections of the menu. You'll be able to simply add some. This is add, ajouter, and this is retirer, which is like delete or remove. So here, as you can see, elements disponible. So the disponible, like the element disponible, which is the things that you can add to your menu. As you can see, so you have home, this is livraison, which is delivery, a lot of things here that you can add. So this is just an example. Of course, for you, it's might be different depending on the pages that you have on your store, etc. So here you can simply click on whatever you want and click on ajouter, which is add, and you will find it here on your elements of the menu. Then once you configure those, just click on and just of course save or register, which is enregistré en français, and of course you will be then good to go. As you can see, selected items are those that appear on your or in your menu. Available items are those you can choose to include in your menu, like delivery, categories, products, and etc. Of course, to add items to your menu, you'll be able to select it from the list of available items here and click on add, as you can see, which is this ajouter, and do the same for all the pages that you wish to add to your menu. Children's category are automatically added to the menu, and there is no need to add them again unless you want them to appear in the menu bar. And to rearrange the display order, you can select an item from this list, and as you can see, you can use, I guess, those arrows to relocate them up or down. As you can see, item in the left and block and move it up or down using the arrows as you said. So yeah. And as you can see, how do I add links to internal pages? So you can also add links to pages on your site that are not included in lists in the contact page for as things that contact page, for example. So they show you how here. Basically, here it's gonna be the URL. Here it's gonna be the label of it, like how it's gonna be called or how it's gonna be looked like. And here, of course, if you want it to be opened in a new page, you should turn this on. Then simply click on add, and it will be added to your menu without any problems. And yeah, as simple as that. Once you finish everything, just click on save, and you will be good to go. So this is gonna be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.